How to buy Bitcoin on Moonpay. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. Let's begin. If you need to send Bitcoin using Moonpay, the process is simple and straightforward. Whether you're transferring Bitcoin to another person, a wallet, or an exchange, here's a step-by-step guide to help you complete the transaction safely. Step 1. Open Moonpay and log in. First, go to Moonpay's website or open the Moonpay app. If you don't have any account yet, you'll need to create one and complete any required identity verification. Step 2. Choose send or transfer. Once you're logged in, look for the option to send or transfer Bitcoin. If you don't have Bitcoin in your Moonpay account yet, you may need to buy Bitcoin first before you can send it. Step 3. Enter the recipient's wallet address. You will need the Bitcoin wallet address of the person or platform you're sending Bitcoin. Step 4. Decide how much Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter the amount in BTC or its equivalent value in your currency. Be sure to review any transaction fees that may apply. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transfer. Before finalizing the transaction, review all the details carefully. If Moonpay requires two-factor authentication, enter the code and send to your email. Step 6. Track your transactions. Bitcoin transfers are recorded on the blockchain, so you can track your transaction status using a Bitcoin Block Explorer like blockchain.com. Simply paste your transaction ID to check if had been confirmed. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Bitcoin using Moonpay. Always double check wallet addresses and transactions details before sending. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.